Hey, Andy. You're cute. You think I'm taking a picture so you try to smile? Why is that smiling? You kissing the camera? Oh, thank you. You gonna give Mama a kiss?
No.
Thank you. Oh, more kisses? Oh, thank you. Andy, what do you got there?
Buckham.
What are those?
Buckham.
Are those pumpkins? Hey, Andy, smile. I love you. Andy, you have a cute haircut. Oh, do you like pumpkins? Hey, Andy, what you got there?
A duck.
Oh, is it dark outside?
Map.
And Map went home. Matt. Hey, Andy, are those pumpkins? Pumpkin. Paul?
No.
Did we go?
House. Map. House.
You went to Map's house
Baba.
and you played with some balls in the backyard and you played with his nieces and nephews, didn't you? And you threw the balls? Oh, you love pumpkins? Back home.
Back home.
Did you come back home after?
Bubble.
Why are you calling the balls bubbles?
Chip.
Hey, Andy, smile. I love you. Are those pumpkins?
No.
No. Is it dark outside?
Map.
And Map went home. Hey, Andy. Can I have another kiss? Can I have another kiss? Oh my goodness. Thank you.